Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Carol and today I went thrifting at the bins and also an unexpected little thrift haul from the Majestic Turnaround where I have my booth. Would you like to see what I got? Then let's get started. I kept my receipt from the bins and all of the stuff that I'm going to show you from the bins cost me $2.63 and that includes tax. So the first item I'm going to show you was separate because it was a mug. So I got this for my smiley face collection. There's no markings on the bottom of this one and it's very similar to one I have but not exactly the same. So that was 48 cents plus tax and I was tickled to find it. And then all of the rest of the stuff, my receipt shows I had 1.66 pounds at $1.19 a pound. So all of it was $1.98 plus tax. So let's see what $1.98 plus tax bought me. Do you like tacky Christmas? I know a lot of my viewers do. I found these two wreaths and they were just laying there together. Now there's some things I'm going to need to address, like I don't know if you can see, there's some damage here and right here, and that might be it on that one. So I thought I would just clip those off, and then I might add a couple pine cones because there's one here at the bottom, and I thought it might look cute to glue in a couple more, and I have plenty of those. It looks kind of off balance with just the one. So there's the back of it, and this is that tacky Christmas that smells weird, the plastic, but I love it. And then here's the other one, and these can go on a door, and that's where I'll put them. I haven't decided where yet, but this one has a little bit of wear here and here, so I'm going to clean these, I think, with a disinfectant wipe, because normally when it's just the plastic stuff, I will just wash it with soap and water and hang it to air dry, but I don't want to ruin all of these flocked things. So those were a great find. Did that one have a pine cone on at all? Oh, yeah, that one had one pine cone on and it busted off, but I have it in the bag. All right, here it is right here actually, and it's a little damaged, so yeah. All right, next I picked up a couple picks. I love this one, and I thought it would be pretty for January when I calm things down from all the red and green and just go with a white palette with some other colors mixed in, probably blue and white. And I also found this one. Isn't this cute? It's kind of sugary looking. That's what I call it anyway. Frosted or sugary. And I love the mixture of the real shiny bulb and the matte finish bulb. So that's super cute. And then I found this guy in the bottom of the bins. So my tip for you is if you go to the bins, look in the bottom. You never know what you'll find. It's a pick. I don't know yet if I'm going to just cut the pick off or if I will leave it on and put him in an arrangement, or it would be easier to prop him up inside of something that I wanted him to stick out of. So that was a great find for me because you know how I love deer. I also found this Cutie Pie Santa pick. He doesn't look super vintage, but he probably is vintage. I'm not really sure. But then this one for sure is vintage. Look at him. He is not on a pick. He's kind of grubby. I'm going to clean him up the best I can with, probably again with a disinfectant wipe, just very gently. So I was happy to find that. And then I found this little ornament. Well, it's not very little. It's actually pretty big. Look how cute this is. This reminds me of something I would find at Target, possibly. It's got a little tool hook, I would say, to hang it by. And I thought I could even just prop this up in a display. And I'm thinking I'll put it in my display now, but I'll leave it out all winter because winter, why do I say winter? I'll leave it out all winter just because you can ice skate all winter. And this I can leave up all winter too. I love these little clings for my windows, and I have quite the collection of them. So I really like this because of the buffalo plaid. As you can tell, I love the buffalo plaid, especially the red and black. So that'll be fun, and I'm sure this costs pennies. All right, that was everything I got for a total of $263 at the bins. And then I went down to my booth today because somebody had requested an item and I took it down. And I was looking around and I found this. Look how darling it is. And this was $2. I don't think it's vintage. It said new on the little tag that they wrote out. So I just love it, and you can guess where that's gonna go. I'll show you at the end. Make sure to stay till the end. I have never seen anything quite like this before. It's a flower frog. Since I totally butchered reading this, I'm gonna record it here for you. It says number 2, genuine Golden Gate plastic flower frog, fastened to bowl with plastike. But these are actually steel, like nails, and then the bottom is plastic. And I actually wished I had more flower frogs this year when I was decorating. I kind of ran out. So I think I think it's going to be adorable for Christmas with the green. And other times of the year too. Spring, it'll be fine. St. Patrick's Day. So I am so happy I found that. And I think that's it for my haul. So now I would love it if you would put down in the comments what your favorite item was, or what you liked, or what you didn't like, or what you would have bought. Whatever you want to tell me, put it in the comments below. And now I have a little video of my extra bedroom where the boys sleep when they come over to stay. So let's take a look at the grandkids room. I had a request from a viewer for this, and if you were the one who requested it, can you let me know in the comments? I just can't remember who requested it. So thanks for requesting it, and here we go. total from the bins, I also had another item that I wanted to show you that I already put down in my booth to sell because I have plenty of this item. More kitschy Christmas. I just love these candle holder rings. Here's where I popped in my little Santa, the more vintagey one. And I think he just looks adorable here. This is on my hutch. And my little ice skate ornament, well, it's kind of big actually, ended up here on my mantle. This is in my kitchen here to the right of my sink. And I have this little arrangement. And I added in the vintage Santa, I think, but maybe not so vintage as the other one. I thought that just looked so cute there and added just a really nice touch. This is also in my kitchen, and I put that flower frog under my little elf to give it a little bit of height. I tucked the little red flocked deer in with Santa in that pail, and I thought he looked pretty cute there. Here's the top of my hutch, and I just wanted to show you where I added in that cute little pick right there. Just to remind you, this is what my wreaths look like before my makeover, and I'm getting ready to give them a little makeover. And I have these that I'm going to incorporate in. I got these at the bins on another day, so I'm sure they were very minimally priced because they go by weight. So let's see what I can do with these wreaths. This was rather lucky. My daughter gave me these. They were in her basement, and I think they're going to fit in really good. See where I've added some in there? Here's how they look after a little sprucing up. I added some pine cones, a couple of nuts, some of these berries from my daughter. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do they look better? Do you like them? This is Tacky Christmas at its finest. Here's our upstairs bathroom, and I hung one of the wreaths on this door, and I love it. Here's where I put the second wreath. It's in our entranceway on this beautiful mirror, and I just love it. I hope you enjoyed my haul today. If you enjoy my channel, I have a favor to ask of you. Would you please share my channel with somebody who you think might enjoy it as well? It would really help my channel, and I'm trying to grow my channel. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll link that below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.